Okay, I'm crazy excited about this. This is amazing. This assignment, by the way, welcome to the discussion about the assignment. Yeah, I'm just going to quickly discuss what's going on with the assignment. It's going to be a fantastic learning experience for you. So what you're going to do is, you're going to do a preliminary design for an amazing control circuit for a DC motor for speed control, which you've already kind of drawn a circuit for already, and also for directional control. Super cool. So I've got an amazing, like out of the world amazing video that it describes. It's like going through a whole lesson about motor control. It's so very important that you understand how to control motors and what they're all about. So this is going to be a fantastic learning experience. Assignment 1 is right here. So assignment 2, stage 1 of assignment 2. So assignment 2 is going to be stage 1 and then stage 2. Stage 2, we're going to start. And it's not a lot of report stuff. It's not about like a really pretty, beautiful report. It's a preliminary kind of internal report. Okay, we're pretending we work in some company, some agency, whatever, and we're all like working as a team. So you're a team member and you have to bring together to a team meeting that you're gonna have. So it's a design meeting. You're gonna say, hey, this is the design that I came up with. And you're gonna present your report. It's gonna have a cover page and it's gonna have the work in it. It's gonna be done all by hand. That's fine. As long as you do it correctly and accurately, it's fine. It doesn't have to be all pretty. You don't have to do it with a ruler and all special and everything else. Listen, it's okay. Just watch this video here. I'm going to go in here. Assignment 2. Bam. Ready? Here we go. So in assignment 2, there are these 2 videos. This is the video we're watching right now. This video is 54 minutes and it's me talking about...
I'm so excited to release...
We got really excited. Okay, good. So, and it's all about motor control and what it is and talking about how to control motors and stuff. It's awesome. So all of the learning experience that you will get on how to actually build this assignment and how to do your design. Yeah, you are the designer. You've designed the control system for this electric motor. And there are lots of different options. You choose. And if you have any questions about how to do the math, just watch this video. I go through every step of it. So you can't go wrong without just watch that. Okay, so what's going on here is let's go in here. Bam-o, shmam-o. So there you go. That's your assignment. And what's going to happen here is that when we when we take a look at this assignment, we see the motor control stage 1. Okay, control a circuit that will turn a motor on and off. You have to turn it on and off. Control the power of the motor with 4 different settings. That's fine. You already know what that circuit looks like because you did that in the last assignment. And the switch is direction. That's the new cool thing. You also have to like go into more depth on actually of designing your own control circuit. And this time the resistance isn't going to be the cubed root. It's going to be like the, I forget, actually I think it's the 6th root. Yeah, it's a 6th root. So I need your resistance to be a lot lower for this because it's more powerful. Anyway, so you have to figure out which resistance to resistors to put into your circuit so that each position has the first position 25% power, 50% power, 80% power, and last position 4% power. Don't worry if you don't even I don't know how to calculate that. Yeah, that's what that lecture's for, that video lecture with that awesome PowerPoint that's also posted. There you go. So you have to design the circuit and then the documentation style, dude, it's really simple. This is a report you're bringing to the table. It's an internal report. It's not going out to the public, right? So it doesn't have to be all pretty. It's just got to be, it has to be presented professionally in that you have to follow mathematical documentation guidelines. You have to do it neat enough that someone else can read it. And that's it, pretty much. Okay, so you don't have to use a ruler and drawing program and whatever. It's okay. It's an internal report. You're just going to bring it to a design meeting with a bunch of other designers, a bunch of other guys in your company. And you have to like make up your own company in your head. Okay, so and here we go. So so in this stage, in stage 1, we're not going to source components. In stage 2, it's going to be fun. We're going to figure out how to go and source components. Yeah, I'll show you how to go to an electronic supplier and source components, and then how to put the codes for the components into your diagram. For now, you don't have to do that. You don't have to source the components. You have to say, here's my preliminary design. This is what it looks like. I'm going to look at your preliminary design. I'm going to jump on the marking right away. As soon as you hand it in, I'm going to look at it and I'm going to give you comments, feedback comments like, oh, change this a little bit, do this, and blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to be like the design leader. Yeah, I'm going to be the team leader for the design team. And you're a member of my design team in like a big company that we work for. And then once we finalize what your design is going to look like, so I help you tune your design a little bit, then you're going to present it all professionally, and you're going to choose components, and that'll be stage 2. And then you're going to submit that. So just read all this information and you'll love it. Okay, think of this report as an internal report presented to a design team. I've said that already. So this is highlighting this. Like, dude, this is not for me for marks, not you for marks. It's no kidding. Imagine yourself on a team of guys trying to solve a problem, and your responsibility is to design the control circuit for the motor. Maybe we're building like a little automated car or something, and the other guys on the team are designing a whole bunch of other things. Maybe you have to integrate together. So you're going to bring this to the table. Your report's going to have a cover page and pretty much just have the body of the report do the work. Here, cover page, 3 marks. Table of contents. Yeah, you have to put a table of contents in. 2 marks. All your calculations, 20 marks. So the resistor, the speed control, the fuse size, 20 marks. Get it right, and do, again, the same thing here. Like, if you don't follow the guidelines, goodbye. And watch this. Here, there's just these little, this is like a...
Okay, mostly everybody's doing okay with the...
This is all about the, sorry, there's a link right there. Okay, so that's the guidelines, essentially. That's what's going on. So if you're like, I don't know about those guidelines, just follow what's going on there, and that's me talking about how you can be a little bit more professional about being more accurate in your documentation. And then here, there's another one. What about the cover page? Click on this. This is like a, I don't know, it's like a 38-second video on the cover page. It's really quick. And then over here, another little, this is a 38-second video. So I've put these video like real nice and quick little snippets of like, oh, just do like this, like this. So read all this stuff. The schematic, all done by hand, freehand, no rulers, no whatever. As long as you can read it, as long as I can read it, and as long as the values are labeled, you're good. But you have to design the circuit yourself. Okay, good. Motor specifications, the resistance is going to be the 6th root. I don't even know how to say that. It's the 6th root of your student number. So it'll end up to be around like, I don't know, 18, 17 ohms, something like that. So pretty low resistance. Component selection, again, that's going to be done later. Look at this. Total marks, 45 marks. The percentage of the weight of this, really simple assignment, is 9% of your entire grade. Yeah, dude, just don't get this wrong, please. Just deal with it, okay? Yeah, I'm having like a moment. Okay, so, yeah, and then just don't make any mistakes and you're good. So that's it. Get this done in a week. No problem. Watch the video. You'll be an expert and you're good. And go. Goodbye.